Good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to Animal Kingdom.
Oh my gosh, we're so excited.
It's very, very sunny.
And it's so humid that the camera lenses keep fogging up. This is like the third time we've tried to record this.
So
sorry in advance if we're blurry.
But it's okay, because we're going to go to Pandora first.
Oh my gosh, we're so excited. So yeah, so we have a...
Ooh,
the Animal Kingdom bus is here. All right.
Well, that was lucky.
Oh my goodness. So what I was trying to say was we have a fast pass for Flight of Passage, not until like 5 p.m., but we did get a fast pass for Navi River Journey because you have to pick one or the other. So we're going to immediately go to Navi River Journey. Hopefully the line will be
not terrible.
Dreadful yet.
So,
but
yeah.
We'll see. So,
Navi, and then flight's at like, what, 5?
Yeah, 5 p.m.
So
5:30 p.m.
Yeah, very excited for that.
Yeah, and we booked that fast pass exactly 60 days out, and that was the earliest time we could get. So if you want to ride that at all, definitely plan on like setting an alarm for the morning and booking your fast passes as soon as you possibly can.
Yeah, it was insane.
Yeah.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life.
Woo! What time is it? 8:45. That was a pretty good time.
Yeah.
Oh, focus. Nope. That's as good as you're gonna get, I guess, camera. But it's 8:45. We're 15 minutes before park open.
There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise. Make a
Here we go. There's your magic band back. Oh boy. This was walled off last time we were here. Very, very insane. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a floating mountain in the background.
We'll take a long walk till we start to freeze. Hearing small talk over the summer breeze. Out of safe zones, finding hidden caves. All the whetstones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up.
Alright, we're going on an adventure. Christina is waiting in line for Navi River Journey, and it's not open yet, so it's got technical difficulties or something. So we're gonna take a look at Flight of Passage, and it's 75 minutes already. It is not even 9 o'clock. Oh my lord! All right, we're gonna go back.
About you, this is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting.
got off Navi River Journey.
Yes.
We're waiting for Satu'li to open at 10.
It
We got
opens
15 minutes.
In 15 minutes, we're gonna walk around with the Wind Trader gift shop for a while. So, just for a few minutes. But Navi River Journey was so pretty.
Yeah, it was awesome.
They were so well done. I will say it was a little short, so I wouldn't wait like more than an hour for it, just because of how short it was. But it was really pretty. The animatronic was so well done.
The animatronic was like one of the it is the best I've ever seen, but it was like it didn't feel like an animatronic. I thought it could have been it could have easily just been an actor. You know what I mean? Like
yeah,
it was
so
crazy.
good.
Yeah, I don't know that I'd wait more than like 45 minutes, hour for it, but it was good. It was awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. All right.
So
we got Satu'li finally.
It looks so good and smells amazing.
What did you get?
So I got the fish fillet. I got the make your own bowl. So fish fillet with rice and black beans, and then I got the green onion vinaigrette on top of that too.
And a water, because it's already super hot outside.
Yeah, we're already dehydrated. So.
Yeah, and I got a water as well, and then I got the cheeseburger pods. I forget what they're actually called, but it comes with like this coleslaw with little balls on top, and looks like just potato chip type things. But I'm so ready to dig in. This looks awesome. Oh my gosh. All right, Satu'li Canteen.
It's delicious. So we cleared our plates.
Clearly.
Yeah, and it's definitely one of the better quick service restaurants in the
For sure.
Disney parks, I think. We were comparing it to like ramen quality of food. Definitely better than like most of like the Magic Kingdom quick services and everything. It's really good.
Yeah, it was very, very good. And man, it was just what we needed at like 10 o'clock in the morning.
I know, we were starving. I just ate like a fish protein bowl at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, and we were also the first people online, and they had like a little welcome thing.
Which was really cool, so.
Yeah. So I think we're headed off to Everest now.
Yeah.
It's a 2-hour wait for flight passage. It's 2 hours, so we're not going to do that. And Everest is like 25 minutes or 30 minutes or something. So it's on the other side of the park, but we'll walk over, it'll be fun.
We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length on your shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting. Listen to old songs and headphones. Don't wanna wake up tomorrow. I know a place, would you like to go? You love the view from up there, I know. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length on your shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length on your shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this.
Ready?
You know it. Wrong way, wrong roller coaster. Still, I don't know. This is rock and roll coaster. That's fine. Baby. Good drop.
there.
Yeah.
Back there and Spaceship
Guardians
Earth.
building up over there.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love this ride.
Oh, man.
So much.
What up, dude?
Mad.
Love that ride.
That is the best ride ever. I love
Best
it
ride.
so much.
Oh. They're apparently fixing the Yeti.
I heard that Yeti. Okay, that Yeti is huge too. I can't even imagine
With the
him
lights on.
swinging at you.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's enormous in person. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's gonna be exciting.